Okay, Bauro. As I told you just now that I have made video. I have wished for a birthday to everybody, and why not you? So maybe we could have talked and I could have communicated, but let me do that. You see, as I am fond of it. Okay, so I can describe right from the time you were born. You were born in that small Bangalore type hospital, which was surrounding trees were there. It was a nature, almost nature and spring. So it never looked that actually you were born and the senior sister wanted to complete her, that Friday Lakshmi Stotra, and she told her, your mom, that continue with this pen, it will be better relieved, and I will read that Mahalakshmi Stotra and then do this. So after she read it, when this Mahalakshmi, Mahakali, Saraswati was born. Okay, and then around 1:30 I reached there, and I was told to see from the other side of that hospital window is open, so you can see from there. So I went with Pushkar there, and I saw you newly born, and the eyes sparkling, showing our ancestor thing, eyes, very nice. And then you moved to we had a big quarter there in MSCB Chembur, and the lawn was maintained, and then you grew up. The first thing what you did, you made your mom 24 hours for you. She was working, she was going to school. All your pregnancy period, she used to go to school. They had a tough time she had. But then she decided, no, it will be injustice. So she stopped going to the school. She was full time available. And you also, normal milk used to give you. Pushkar time, we had a tough time to stir that and do. And in your case, it was so easy. You had started crawling, and then opposite the Rao was staying. And she said, my Shekhar is there. She was 1 year elder to you. I want Kannadiga. So that attachment there, Kannadiga attachment there at that time only. Anyway, then another thing is that Pushkar taking you on the right, the tricycle, you were tied down on the back seat, and used to carry you. 3 year old carrying a 1 year old. And all along, I feel bad that I should have taken photographs. No time that I don't know, it missed. So your childhood photographs are there, but no birthday photograph. That birthday craze you also had it, but somehow sometimes we used to celebrate, sometimes. But the very thing I remember is about your when you were a 9 year old, 10 year old, and I was in Nasik, and then that was a tough time we had. Your mom had, because you were not at all going to school, coming back, and finally I took you to my here, general manager, and then I told him, see, if you don't transfer me, you give me the letter. On that day itself, I got a letter, and then I moved from Nasik there. Then there is a transition in your case. Otherwise, used to wake you up and all the time nagging. You were nagging, do this, do that, and all. But surprisingly, from after the 10th standard, when you know the time admission time was there, the JJ School of Arts, and there 2 years, consecutive 2 years, we tried and it didn't come out. Used to go to Grand Road to for that preparation and all. Finally, you took the arts, after 12th, and then that computer course in childhood only you did that, and that was remembered. So I data pro course continued. But one thing I tell you, the JJ school, if you would have gone, that would have, the profession would have become your hobby. Hobby would have become your profession. Now I have seen people, who make profession as a hobby and all that. Didn't work. In your case, see, you have a profession, but your art skills you acquired side by side, and that's why you are able to devote time for your hobby. That is, there is no need to return you. Of course, when there was a need, that beauty thing you started doing it, all wonderful thing. So all this I have told you. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you, that how your style of working style change. Used to work hardly working, from hardly working to hard working to smart working, and that even Mr. Narayan Bendigeri realized. Evening till evening, nothing was there in that Ganpati decoration, and he was worried that how you are going to do it, and that he challenged you, and you did that smart work. So that particular gracefully thing you acquired. You see, that's why I have now analyzed. Girija is very small, few letters, but still I found out that G is very important for you. Genuineness is there in your case. Genuineness there to do the thing gracefully. Whatever you do it gracefully, and you don't compromise. Even people like it or not, that's different. But you yourself put a break to that. That if it is okay, then you will continue. Otherwise, no. So in all activities, cooking, in your work, office work, in your beauty thing, house decoration, even the wall, the painting, and everywhere, no mediocre you will like. So that genuineness in gracefully doing the things gracefully, that G is very important. Then the I comes, that impeccable. Impeccable means flawless. Your aim is to do flawless things, and if the mistake you yourself may point out, others point out or not, there's a question is not there. So they are all related things. So that graceful act continued. Then the third letter is R. That's very important. And R, R and further I. So, in total quality management, there are two things which play important role. One is the response, and other is the interaction. So, response and interaction, they should go together. Then you can avoid any situation. Any situation coming in that you have done that in your office work, you have done it. Proper response and doing followed by a good interaction gives you a proper way in all difficulties, or even leave aside difficulty, even for improvement also. These two things very important. You are acquired that skill, but keep that skill. Whenever among relationship also, sometimes you may lose temper, and then your response maintain that response, the quality response, and followed by interaction. Excellent thing which you have got, pursue it further. The Giri Ja, J, that is joyfulness. You enjoy relationship. See how many, when we used to come and go to senior center, there other senior people used to tell us, "Arey, their children is small, that's why they are calling you." But we knew that you feel joy. Call us not for children. Yes, of course, children means they also should enjoy our company. So that practice you give to them. That's why the children are also excited. You are also excited. Even now, absolute, they are independent still. You are calling us, that joyfulness in relationship. Very important. Keep that. And A is the adorable thing. You are adorable because we used to always think that a boy, if he sees your potential, definitely the marriage, definitely, and that is what Milin found out, the potential, hidden potential in you. That's why, see, he's so much attached. A lot of potential is there, and that has been tapped nicely. So, adorable and aesthetic. Aesthetic means you bring out the beauty in that. So, whatever that Sweet 16 program, whatever decoration we have done, all this aesthetic thing we have got, hidden aesthetic. You are cooking also, you are preparing things, you are welcoming people. Everything has got this charm. Keep that, and you have, of course, you are affected by ill health. Some maybe due to your enthusiasm, but majority by the nature Almighty. You face all those things, come out of it. So remember those dates, just to keep you on track. Just remember that. And I tell you, with these wonderful qualities, continue. Well, your children will also adopt that. And they are observing. Observation is the best way of it, best education. You don't have to tell them. They are observing you, so they will definitely follow and do better. You know, in the course of time. So all the very best. Uh, Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your life. Forget about any worries which are coming out. We will all, the entire world will come out of this. So we are eager to meet you. The time comes, we'll definitely meet. All the best. Enjoy.